Valu, Baravilala, Ralulu. Oh, good work. Ralulu gets it in field. Try. For Musaliwa gets it out. McIndow goes with the cross kick pass. Oh, it falls okay. And Dinado will go in. Morgan Dinado. Looney takes it up for Fiji. Khan chips it away. Fully now. Manamana Balu. Baravilala. Ralulu. Oh, good work. Ralulu gets it in field. Try. Adam Khan, the halfback. Evan Davis. Taken well in time by Spencer Coty. Now Canada put bodies behind him. Coty. Thompson. Trying to straighten that. McGavin, the fullback. Oh, it's turned over. Roluni, the number 8. Good work by Roluni, not held, so he can go again. Khan, Fiji, looking to capitalize again. Marika Koroi. Khan in there. Penalty advantage played for Fiji. Canada caught offside. Opportunity here. Manamana Valu. Crunch one tackle. Gets away from the other. Gets caught. Gets it to kick out. Oh! The ball was punched away from his grasp. A sure try. That time for kick out won't begging. But it's Canada that go on the counter attack now. Australian based. Fiji take it up. Armstrong Ravola. Adam Khan. Oh, little dance. Good work by Khan. Now he gets pulled down. Fully at halfback. Manamana Valu. Very impressive, this number 13. Khan. Eranavula puts his head down. Khan changes the direction. Good work. Fiji. Oh, Armstrong Ravula right through the middle. Parking the Canadian defence for the moment. There comes away from Neville Empuch. Here comes Fiji. Setitaya, the pass is away. And Waisia Bainimbure on his debut gets the try for Fiji in the 16th minute of play. Bainimbure, the try scorer, carrying that up well. Khan. Rauluni. Empuch. Oh, nice pass. Eranavula nearly let that go. That's okay. Play on. Here's Kikau. Here comes the break. Infield for Khan. Making a brace for Adam Khan. Oh, he gets it in for Mane Valu. 18th minute of play. Khan who gets it back into Eranavula. Good work by the Western Marine Rugby Club player from Nandi, and the break from Adam Khan. Individual play. Now the foot race. The bounce is there. And Khan is brilliant. What a finish. They need to get there. Game plan going Canada. Reece Thompson. Cole Harris the captain. They shift in. Now Adam Doan. The space is there. Coty goes with the kick. Coming across well. And guess who? Ralulu. From his wing on the other side to this side. My word. Now Rauluni with the break. Aaron Avula. Rolls it back on the carpet. Khan. City Taya. Oh, got it in between the legs. Naevo. Oh, he gets oh, look at that. A kick there from City Taya. Penalty will come for Canada. Dutoit. Pulled on by Doan. Liam Kinghorn is on. This is Austin Allen with the carry. Thompson. Oh, lost the time. Kikau was there. Mana Evalu. That's Empuch. Carries that then up well. Mana Evalu. Silva getting it out. Now Kikau over the top. Comes in field from Naevo. Ernavola. Oh, look at those offloads going. Kikau. Naevo. This is wonderful play. Leaves the ball behind. Canada gets through over there. Oh, great to see those big boys throwing the ball around. That ball is gone forward. He's got it at the back. Fully. Manamanaivalo floats it for Raulu. Looking to expose Canada again on the other side. Got the pass in field, but Canada there to gather that. Thompson gets it back and then driven by McKevin. Fiji try and play it on. Baravilala. Bainimbure. Naevo waits. Bainimbure. Put a little kick through there. Canada. Oh, Khan. He's picked it up. Aaron Avula. Now 5 meters away from the try line. Fiji dropped it forward. Khan has got it at the back. Fiji. Oh, nice work at time from 12 and 13 and over goes Kikau. Of 1-2 tacklers. Down there, Khan. Manaivalu. Khan. Good work by Khan. Now he finds Kikau. Oh, that is so easy. Back-to-back tries for Bongindrau Kikau. And this is in the 34th minute of play. Now there's a lot of sweat under the humidity of Nandi. Baravilala, yes he can, I think, yes. Kikau. This time it didn't connect. There's Canada pounds on that. Raulu is at the back, but it's picked up well there by Canada. And the try is on. And the try is there for Josh McIndoe. Gets it in the back quickly. Fully. Good pair of hands. Manaivalu, Kikau. Oh, Raulu has moved to the right wing. So Bainimbure must have gone off.
Roll away!
Fiji carried it up. Adam Khan. Manaivalu. City Taya. Raulu. Oh, he stepped outside. So stepped from the white mark. City Taya. Got the palm on it, and then it's rolled up. City Taya, Ernavola, Rauluni, Fiji, quickly now, Lalambalavu. Oh, did he? I think he stepped into touch before he got up to go. Given back, Finan. Oh, straight through that time, Austin Allen, the blind side flanker, is in. 55th minute of play, second half. Gets across to Lalambalavu. Enterprising play, gets up to that Malulu. That is Fijian magic at its best. 58th minute of play. Carries that up well. Driver, Fiji got numbers on the other side. Just straightening that up. Now they try and jab the other side. Kick out. Fully. Out from driver. Kick out. Gets it out. Well, got the ball in, but Canada in the way. And then lost for Canada. Good setup. Fiji defending. Mewa. Mozaliwa. Oh, managed to get that ball back. And, going over. Alistair Eomans. Mozaliwa changes it on that short side. Still there for Canada. Getting there in the corner is the captain, Derek Doyle. Derek Doyle gets the try in the 69th. Good work by the Nuggety halfback. King on. Canada playing with some power now. In the closing minutes. They might not win this, but they are showing some class. Mozaliwa gets it out. McIndoe goes with the cross kick pass. Oh, it falls okay, and Dinado will go in. Morgan Dinado. Penalty is there for Fiji. Driver, Koroi, Setitaya, and Setitaya goes through to score the try. Long throw. Here comes the break for Fiji. Koroi. Hail Mary pass in the second one. Emosi Nuku right through the defense, and driver knocking that on with it. But forward pass earlier on from Dinado, and that is the ball game. 8 tries to 4.